All right, so we're staying at the Melia Buenavista on Cayo Santa Maria in Cuba. You can see we're at room 2412, which is a ocean view at the ground level. Let's take a look inside here. It's quite a big room. Close the door here, let the light adjust. So we got a mirror here as we walk in, little table to put your purse and other bags, whatever, on the floor there. And I'm not sure what this is. Open this up. What the heck's in here? Ah, circuit breakers and such. Just leave those alone. Walking in here, we can see we've got a little sitting room and a table. And off to the side here, a little countertop again. And you can see the bed in the background there. It's a little bit on the hard side, but I was checking it out. It's not too hard. There's a little table here. Let's check out the what I was seeing online. Actually, I don't see any outlets here. There's a phone and TV controller, lamp. Okay, on the other side of the bed is where the plugs are. Here we can see the light switches. I don't see any outlets here. There's a desk here to put your stuff on. I'm not sure that's a TV or a computer monitor, not clear. On top here we can see kind of universal plug, so you can plug in your, generally the wall adapters for charging your portables will run off 240 volts, so you can plug them in there, no problem. Got our luggage not quite unpacked here. Okay, so it's pretty well the bedroom area. And we're stepping now into the sort of bathroom area. And you see a nice sink, mirror, some nice lamps there, a hair dryer built in. I'm not seeing any. Oh, it looks like we've got power outlets there, 110. Mirrors across the other side here. So here's a very large storage room. Looks quite good. Oh. That's a shocker. Huawei Wi-Fi. So my information's being pumped right to China. Since their weather balloon got shot down, they have to resort to low-tech Wi-Fi. Good. So some storage space for blankets, some extra pillows, safe, which is good. Bunch of drawers for putting your clothes in. Bathrobes in. It's pretty nice. And a number of six coat hangers. That's true. That's a shout out to Mike there, who needs to know the exact count of coat hangers. Umbrella, lawn, ironing board, iron. Looks good. Next up is, this is quite large actually. A good size soaking tub. I don't know, maybe even there's some buttons on here. I have to try it later. It's probably just some kind of jacuzzi jet tub thing. The tub looks in fairly good shape. Plenty of bath towels, a towel for the floor there, toilet, and a bidet for, never actually tried one of those. I've been to Japan several times, never actually tried that in Japan, but I'll give it a try when I'm here. And, right, so the bathroom door kind of closes with semi-privacy. And then it looks like we've got, oops, okay. Open the door here, and this is nice, a little outdoor shower. That's cool. And little sitting table here, little sunspot. That's quite nice. It's actually a huge room. When you start adding all this up, we've got this large soaking tub, kind of sink area, storage area, bedroom area. I forget what this room called. It's some kind of suite, I think. I'll have to put it in the title of the video. The couch there, tables, and Tracy's pointing arrow. Maybe this is the mini fridge in here. Now, I can't remember if we're supposed to get this stocked with anything. Minimally stocked. We got one water bottle and some kind of juice or something. Some nice glassware, wine glasses, kettle, ice bucket. I don't know where we get ice from now. And, ocean view. Oh, that's not, contrast is not showing up too well. Let me get out a bit further here. So here on the deck, it's a little bit off the ground here, but not much. It's probably a little better view from up on top, which probably would have preferred, but you can see the beach is not too far out. A lot of the beaches in Cuba, I've noticed, the resorts, it's a pretty long walk on the boardwalk to get from the resort area to the beach for some reason. It's just the ecological concerns, perhaps. But here the walk is actually pretty short. I zoom in there. You can see that's a bar. That's the beach. That's kind of Long Beach facing all the other resorts on Cayo Santa Maria. And then off to the left here further, we'll get to that in another video, there's the snorkeling beach and then the sunset beach.